Hello beauties, welcome again to Wendy's style. One thing with this haircut today, there are haircut for those that want to embrace their natural hair. Embracing your natural hair can be a powerful way for black women, to really come out looking gorgeous. And sometimes, when some women are having this emotional effects, maybe the effect of alopecia, they always want to boost their self-confidence. So today we are here with the best natural hairstyles for women with alopecia and the way to maintain a healthy hair. So just watch this video to the end. So if you're really ready to learn how to rock a natural hair and feel confident, despite living with maybe alopecia or thin hair or hair loss. So I want you guys to please watch this video. Alopecia is a medical condition that causes hair loss, either in patches or throughout the scalp. It always occurs when the immune system attacks the hair follicles. So this can result in hair loss on the scalp, either on the face and other areas of the body. This alopecia also can also affect anyone, regardless of age, regardless of your gender or ethnicity. But it is particularly common, among some black women. And there are several different types of alopecia. The most common forms are those alopecia areata, androgenic alopecia, postpartum alopecia, traction alopecia, each of which we all know affects the body in different ways. So you can see today, I just want you guys to really embrace that confidence with this beautiful haircuts and hairstyles that will always want to make it look good. It's a hairstyle that will reassure women that they can still wear their natural hairstyles even if suffering from alopecia. It may come in varieties of ways, but I want to tell you that it is possible. Forget about the misconceptions about the conditions and the black women, whatever some people are talking about it. All I want you to know that there are ways, for you, maybe like the various varieties of factors like the genetics, autoimmune disorder, maybe age, hormonal imbalance, scalp infection, stress, thyroid disease, and maybe some other things that can also cause this alopecia. So it means that the black women always need to look beyond the surface, like when noticing and acknowledging hair loss. So one thing with this alopecia, we're using the right cream, and using the right product and eating healthy, taking lots of waters, can help manage the symptoms and promote your hair with good. So with this in mind, for now, let me just allow you guys to please watch to the end of this video till I come your way in my next video. Thank you guys and see you guys. God bless you.
I am the Lord, I heard you cry. No need to worry, no need to fear anymore. Bring it on, bring it on. Drop it at my feet. Doesn't matter what the doctors say to you, drop it at my feet. Doesn't matter all that you've been going through, drop it at my feet. It may have been there for 10 years or more, drop it at my feet. Oh, oh. Hey. I am the Lord and not a man. Oh. I am the Lord, I heard you cry. Hey. Oh, 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 oh. Bring it on to my feet. Nothing is so hard for me to do again. Oh, drop it at my feet. Oh, drop it at my feet. Oh, oh, bring it on. Ayana, what? Usukaria, diele no lokuka. I am the Lord, I heard your cry. Hey. I am the Lord, I heard your cry. I saw you cry at night when no one was watching. And now, I saw you tears when no one was watching. I will wipe your tears. I'm the God of all flesh. Oh, no, no. Oh, oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, Kanya Nabakubaraba.
SublimeGospel.com.
I am the Lord, I heard your cry. Drop it at my feet. Doesn't matter what the doctor said to. Drop it at my feet. It may have been 10 years, 10,000 years, many years or more, many years or more. Drop it at my feet. My yoke is light, my burden is light. Ayadana mono kosheta lebrando shatanaba. Oh, yeah, 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 yo. Oh, my God and my Father, bless your people. Take away their pains. Doesn't matter what the landlord says to you. Doesn't matter what the people say to you. For your shame, I will give you double. I will give you double. Drop